Hello and welcome to DevSpot. Today I'm going to be showing you some really basic ways of mutating arrays in JavaScript. By the end of this video, you'll understand methods like pop, push, unshift, and shift. When dealing with arrays, these methods can be very useful in many different ways. So let's go ahead and get started. So here I have a super basic Vue project set up here. So I have just a couple headers with what we'll be talking about throughout this video, and then I have a couple buttons that I'm going to assign some methods to show how you can mutate this array here that I have set up. So within my data method here, I have a sports array that has just a few different sports in it. And then we're going to go ahead and start with showing how pop works. So let's call a method pop array. Then we're going to want to access the array and then dot pop. Now it's just as simple as that. So what this is going to do, pop removes the last element of the array. So if we're going to be popping our array sports here, that'll be removing soccer. So let's go ahead, save our project here, everything compiled, and then let's see what pop does. Boom, nice. So that got rid of soccer. And then you can go ahead and click it again and it'll continue to just get rid of that last element in your array. So let's refresh our project here. So that's how pop works. The next one I want to show you guys is, let's go with push. So call a method push array and then access that array one more time. And then you simply call push like so. This time though, with push, you're wanting to add an element to the end of your array. It's like this. So now we have a push method. So we'll save our project here. And now what push is going to do is add an element to the end of the array. So if we're looking at our sports array here, we should add hockey at the end of soccer here. So let's go ahead and click our push button. And classic. What did we do wrong here? Let's just refresh. See, sports stop push. Easy mistake. Gotta watch out for typos. So now when we click push, we'll add hockey to the end of our array here like so. Pretty slick. And then you can obviously do that a bunch of times. Sweet. So that is how push works. Alright, sweet. So now that we're done showing how push works, I'm going to go into showing how shift works. So let's make not that. Let's go with shift array. So then all we're going to do is the same as the other ones. Access our array here and then shift. Easy as that. So now what shift is going to do is remove the first element in our array. So it's pretty much the opposite of what pop does. If that helps you remember it. Shift. There you go. You can see that it's removing the first element of our array. So shift, baseball's gone. Shift, and football's gone. Perfect. So that is how shift works. And then finally, I'll just walk you through how to do unshift. Call a method unshift array. This.sports.unshift. Now, if you can kind of guess what the theme is here, this is basically going to do the opposite of what push array did. So push array, add an element to the end of our array. Unshift array, let's see. Project, unshift, it adds an element to the front of our array. So there you go. That's how you can use 4 different methods of mutating arrays in JavaScript. It's all pretty basic. Just a matter of remembering the vocabulary, knowing unshift, shift, push, pop, and remembering what each of them does. So when you're dealing with different data sets and stuff, like for some projects I have, I'm using like a JSON data source, and it's really nice to use some of these to mutate different parts of arrays. Like if you have a JSON structure that has arrays in it, this can come in pretty handy. So yeah, thanks for watching, and let me know if you liked the video. Thanks.